Auckland, New Zealand's largest city, is a treasure trove of experiences that effortlessly blend natural beauty with cultural richness and vibrant urban life. Picture yourself standing atop the Sky Tower, the tallest structure in the Southern Hemisphere, where the world unfurls beneath you. The panoramic views are breathtaking, a mosaic of cityscape and ocean, and if you're feeling adventurous, the thrill of a sky jump or a stroll on the skywalk will get your heart racing. Then, there's the Auckland War Memorial Museum, a sanctuary of history nestled in the Auckland domain. Here, you can immerse yourself in the stories of the Maori and Pacific Islands, marvel at the natural history exhibits, and perhaps catch a cultural performance that brings the past to life. A short ferry ride whisks you away to Waiheke Island, a paradise of stunning beaches and lush vineyards. Wine tasting here is an experience like no other, complemented by the island's artistic flair and breathtaking landscapes. The Auckland Harbour Bridge is another marvel, an engineering feat that invites you to climb its heights for unparalleled views, or to leap off for an adrenaline rush like no other. Rangitoto Island, with its volcanic charm, beckons hikers to explore its trails and lava caves, while the Auckland Zoo offers a chance to connect with wildlife from around the globe, emphasizing conservation and education. Art enthusiasts will find solace in the Auckland Art Gallery Toyo Tamaki, where over 15,000 artworks tell stories of creativity and culture. Mount Eden, the highest point in the city, offers a serene escape with its walking trails and panoramic vistas, while Viaduct Harbor pulses with life, perfect for dining and nightlife. And don't forget Kelly Tarleton's Sea Life Aquarium, where the wonders of the ocean await, from sharks to penguins, offering unique encounters that leave lasting memories. Auckland is a city that invites exploration, a blend of adventure, culture, and natural beauty that captivates every traveler.